Hey there, it's Doug Gillespie from Hydropool Hot Tubs and Swim Spas. In this video, we're going to take an in-depth look at the Hydropool Signature 728 Platinum. We're going to discuss who this hot tub is for, the features, and we'll even get into pricing. By the end, hopefully you have a great sense of whether this hot tub is right for you. Let's first discuss who this hot tub is for. The Hydropool Signature 728 Platinum is a 7-person hot tub that is perfect for a larger family or for anyone who loves to entertain because there's a ton of space in there. It's also great for the cottage or for a lake house or ski chalet. When you're coming back for a little après ski, it is a great entertaining hot tub. This is for a customer who wants the biggest. They want a hot tub with lots of options. This is the most popular hot tub of its size sold in the US. Now let's talk about who this hot tub is not for. It's not for smaller families or smaller spaces in the backyard. It's also not for intimate experiences, as it's designed for entertaining. If you're a runner or a triathlete, a model with a lounger might be better, as it can provide more leg therapy than this model. Here are some of the features that set this model apart. The 728 Platinum is a 90-inch or 228 centimeter square hot tub and can easily provide enough space for 7 people. The barrier-free design and the non-slip steps make it easy to get in and out of, and it's one of the most accessible hot tubs on the market. The 728 is 39 inches or 99 centimeters deep, which is fantastic for deep soaking. With 55 jets powered by 2 pumps, the Hydropool 728 Platinum delivers the best massage in the industry. Our Signature is our top-of-the-line hot tub collection. Every hot tub in it comes with the following class-leading features. Every Signature hot tub comes with the ability to personalize or customize your massage. Because they're built in Canada, each is designed to handle the harsh Canadian winters. But most importantly, the Signature line comes with our patented self-cleaning system, which makes it the easiest hot tub in the world to maintain. The Platinum series of any Signature model has superior jets powered by 2 pumps for a more elite massage experience. The pricing of this model starts at around $19,500 and goes up to about $21,000 depending on the bells and whistles that you get, which is around the price of a 799. If you'd like to know more about the Hydropool Signature 728 Platinum, make sure to visit your local Hydropool retailer today or check us out online. I'm Doug Gillespie from Hydropool Hot Tubs and Swim Spas. The water is calling.